Hi, this is Sarah with Powertrain Products. I have here in front of me one of our 6R140 automatic transmissions. This is going to come in a lot of your Ford Super Duty applications. So this is going to come with a brand new valve body and brand new solenoids. We do have a new torque converter installed in them that addresses a lot of the factory flaws in these transmissions. And we have made some other custom upgrades. There are custom spec bushings. There's going to be your new TCC valve regulator. We put in a new pump to avoid that slippage and delayed engagement issues that we were experiencing with these. They are dyno tested for operability before shipping, and of course they come back with our Powertrain Promise warranty. And if you have any questions about the other upgrades that we have made, about pricing or availability, give us a call. The number is 888-842-0023, or you can visit us at powertrainproducts.net.